Now that Tesla has announced they are moving through with this plant in Mexico, more details are beginning to emerge about the new facility that has been the subject of much speculation. In August, Elon met with Governor Samuel Garcia and other officials in Nuevo Leon to discuss the possibility of locating Tesla's new factory there. It has been confirmed by Governor Garcia that Tesla has been given a 4,200-acre plot of land, which is almost double the size of the property they got for Giga Texas and all of its neighboring projects, as reported by Electric. In this video, we're about to show you Tesla updates, discounts, and price drop of Tesla Hardware 4. If you don't want to miss any of these details, watch the video till the end. The disclosed information. Garcia disclosed that Tesla plans to spend a total of $5 billion throughout all stages of production. If all of Giga Texas's phases are finished, we will have invested $10 billion and employ roughly 20,000 people. Several more jobs may be generated due to the new factory luring new vendors. According to a rumor that surfaced last week, Tesla's head of automotive, Tom Zhu, claimed that the company could construct the new factory in less than 9 months if they worked as quickly as they did at Giga Shanghai. Despite the timeline for their next-generation vehicle discussed at Investor Day, Garcia has confirmed that Tesla will produce vehicles out of that factory next year. This should be taken without a grain of salt, or they could add capacity to a vehicle they already produce, such as the Model Y, before starting to work on the next-gen platform. Fluctuating prices of Tesla. Due to supply chain issues, inflation, and tremendous demand, Tesla's prices fluctuate regularly as the company strives to meet consumer demand. After raising prices across the board for several years in a row, Tesla suddenly and unexpectedly lowered all their vehicles' prices at the start of 2023. As of early 2019, the base price of a Model X with extended range all-wheel drive has dropped from $109,990 to $99,990. Tesla Model's price drop. The Model X in Plaid has dropped from $129,000 to $109,000, the lowest since the car's 2020 facelift. Both the Model X Plaid and the Model X Long Range are now priced at $70,000, while the Model S Plaid is now $7,000 more expensive than before. The Model X is a much larger and more feature-rich vehicle than the Model S, so this seems counterintuitive initially, but it makes sense regarding acceleration. Tesla had to sell off its premium vehicle inventory since the Model 3 and Y are much more popular. In anticipation of the launch of Hardware 4.0, it has been recommended that they should sell off their existing inventory. It has been theorized that this must happen to launch Hardware 4.0, while it is also plausible that this is just a supply and demand mismatch. Tesla's new claims. Despite Tesla's claims that full self-driving capabilities will arrive without a hardware update, the company has made such claims for years. On the conference call, they indicated that this equipment is unnecessary for FSD operations and that no modifications will be made. According to Elon Musk, it would be too expensive and time-consuming to retrofit Hardware 3 and Hardware 4. As the new hardware was disclosed on Twitter on February 15th, we found that certain models are already being made with this computer, possibly the Model S and X, though this has not been confirmed. The upgrades. On Tesla's factory lot, the new lenses were noticeably larger and it was confirmed to be the new hardware when green only ran the VIN. Jason Clinton has taken delivery of his 2023 Model X, which is said to have upgraded optics, processing power, and radar. This theory supports the rumored new Phoenix radar that Tesla is reintroducing into their vehicles. He posted several images purportedly from the new cameras, but they were all fake. Despite what Elon tweets, you shouldn't count on this feature until you take delivery and ensure the horn works properly. The V4 Supercharger. V3 Superchargers are now capped at 250 kilowatts, and only a few of them feature the magic dock that allows CCS charging, but they are opening them up to other EVs to have 7,500 open by the end of 2024. A key question is how these chargers will reach other EVs with charge connections in other locations. At Investor Day, Tesla mentioned that V4 chargers feature longer cords, and the first installations of these chargers are now being made in Europe. According to Tesla's comparative diagrams, Tesla was observed deploying their first V4 supercharger, which is slightly larger than V3 chargers. While these are currently covered and under construction, their size is evident. Tesla market share. Tesla's market share in China's new energy vehicle sector decreased to 9% in February from 10% a year earlier, while Boyd's market share increased by 10%. Therefore, while Tesla sales are rising as a short-term result of slashing prices, they are not quite keeping up with China's domestic-based BYD. According to an Inside EV study and the findings of a survey on demand for electric vehicles, this is only partially supported by Tesla's China website. From January to February, Tesla's worldwide EV demand stagnated as their order backlog stayed relatively unchanged. Demand climbed in the United States, declined in Europe, and remained relatively unchanged in their second largest market outside the United States, China. China is Tesla's second largest market outside the US. Therefore, it is hoped that the company will find out how to compete with local EV makers there soon. And that completes our video for today. We hope you enjoyed learning the latest updates of Tesla. Are you most excited about the price drop? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Tech Bros for more content such as this.